How to log in to TD Bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into TD Bank. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for TD Bank. Now you want to tap on this website, which is td.com. Now, on this web page, you want to tap on the login option at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you will have to select the type of account you want to log into. I'm going to select online banking. Now, you will have to enter some details over here. Start by entering your username. Once you have entered your username, on the next box, enter your password. If you want these details to be remembered, check the box that says Remember Me. Now tap on the Login option. If all the details you have entered is correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your username or password, tap on this link. Once you tap on this link, it will take you to another page. Now select what you need help with. If you have forgotten your password, simply tap on the password option. Then you will have to enter your username on the first box. After that, on the second box, you will have to enter your social security number or TIN. Now tap on the continue option. Once that is done, you will be able to successfully reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.